Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wave app invoicing software. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you upload or scan a receipt into your Wave apps? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to scan your receipt into Wave apps anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business, you know that sometimes you end up with a huge amount of receipts, and with Wave apps, you can scan it into their system so that we can track your expenses and purchases. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wave apps dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wave apps, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to scan your receipts into their system, you're going to click here on the left, receipt. Okay, once you do that, you actually get these three different options in order to scan your receipts into Wave app. So if you use their app, you can just scan directly into the app. If you're on a computer like me, you can upload from your computer, or you can email it into Wave apps by clicking here. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and create an email for you to email your receipts into. And then once they're received on that email address, it's going to process into your account. For today's video, I'm going to go ahead and just upload from my computer by clicking here. Okay, it's uploading right now. Okay, now it's scanning the receipt. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that it automatically scanned the company and then also the amount for my receipt, and it posted it to my bank if you click on it. Okay, so once you click on it, you can go ahead and edit the transaction. So it's nice. It has an image of the receipt and it also pulled the data from it. So it came out to $109. You can change the category, you can change the transaction date, and then also you can change the description, which would be the vendor. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to scan or upload a receipt into your Wave apps account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.